convert 7,500 seconds into hours, minutes, and remaining seconds. In order to do this, we have to first convert seconds into minutes, and then the minutes into hours. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to first convert 7,500 seconds into minutes, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here the seconds cancel and leave us with minutes, and solving this, we get that there are 125 minutes in 7,500 seconds. Now to convert 125 minutes into hours, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Here the minutes cancel and leave us with hours. This tells us that there are 2 hours and a bit of a remainder of minutes. To find the remainder of minutes, we need to multiply the 2 hours by 60 minutes, which gives us 120 minutes. Then subtract 120 minutes from our total minutes of 125 minutes to find the remainder of 5 minutes. This gives us the final solution of in 7,500 seconds, there is 2 hours and 5 minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.